What's the meaning of biologically? Biologically. Biologically.
Biologically. Biologically. Biologically refers to anything that relates to or pertains to biology, which is the study of living organisms and their physical structures, chemical processes, molecular interactions, physiological mechanisms, development and evolution. This term is commonly used to describe processes, phenomena, or characteristics that are rooted in the biological makeup of living things, such as genetics, cellular function, and organismal behavior. For example, a biologically based explanation for a certain behavior might involve the influence of hormones or neurotransmitters on brain function and cognition. Understanding the biological underpinnings of life and its various systems is crucial for many fields, including medicine, ecology, and agriculture.